cool. This pamphlet's in US dollars. I don't have to do any math. Thank you, Glossybox. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you are curious what is in the September 2020 Glossybox, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Alright, so Glossybox. For those who have been watching my channel, thank you. For those who have not, feel free to subscribe or leave me a comment. You may be saying, I thought you canceled. I did. I canceled this box. However, for those who may be subscribing and thinking about canceling, you need to do so before the 14th of the month. And I did it after the 14th, and I was signed up for 3-month increments. So, I believe this will be close to my last box. For anyone who is new to Glossybox, Glossybox is a $21 a month subscription. This box originates in the United Kingdom. It comes in a lovely little pink ballet slipper shade of pink box. Let's dig in, see what we got in the September box, which, by the way, I am filming on October the 17th because I just received it on October the 15th. Alright, this is what the inside looks like. This box does come with a pamphlet, which will have product descriptions and pricing for the full-size version, and it will be in pounds. So I will need to do some math, some calculations, go out to the Google, figure out pounds to US dollar conversion, and I will list it on the screen at the end. Oh, cool. This pamphlet's in US dollars. I don't have to do any math. Thank you, Glossybox. Alright, let's see what the first item is. What is this? Alright, this is from Daily Concepts, Daily Beauty Headband. Oh, okay, we have received, or I've received, I think from the same box, items from this Daily Concept. I'm super excited. I've never had just a hairband to get this hot COVID mess out of my face. Alright, that's a lovely item. Alright, next product. This is from the brand Codex Beauty. It says Bia Exfoliating Wash. Oh, okay, and this is 36 milliliters. Alright, the pamphlet says to massage the cleanser gently onto your face and neck in small circular motions. Rinse off with warm water. The Deluxe sample size of 36 milliliters is worth $18. Holy crap, this is worth $18? Wow. Alright. Next item. What is this? From a brand called Melusine Paris. I'm sure I butchered that name. What is this? Oh, let me take it out of the bubble wrap so you can see it better. It's one of those fancy roll on your serum kind of a thing. Let's see what the pamphlet has to say. Alright, the Magic Jade Roller has an MSRP of $21. And it says, after moisturizing, spend 10 minutes rolling from side of the mouth to your ear. Use the handle for your nose and under the eye area. Combine it with a sheet mask or leave it in the fridge for extra soothing effect. Alright, next item. Ooh, whatever this little thing is, it feels heavier than it looks like. What is this? The Breakout Spot Treatment from Rosen Skincare retails for $12. It says apply a small amount directly onto the pimple, ensuring no skin is visible under the treatment. Leave on overnight for best results. Okay, and this, there's a little like tip brush thing. Luckily, I am blessed with not having breakouts. So, I don't know if I'll put this in the giveaway. Every blue moon, I do get something, as we all do. And this will be my magic little thing I will have to try, assuming I remember where I put it. All right, that's new and different. Next item. What is this? We have Ruby Sweet Mask. Recharge mind and restore skin. Made with ruby stone powder and goji berries. The Vitamasques Ruby Sheet Mask retails for $7. Wow, that's an expensive mask. Okay, this I will save for a future giveaway. I am not into wearing face masks. Although, now that I have something to keep my hair back with, maybe I should give one of them a try. All right, next item. What is this? It's very lightweight and plastic. It says Miss Flowers and Mr. Honey Cream from Banila Co. What is that? That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells lovely. I don't know what kind of cream that is. Is that a lip cream? Doesn't feel sticky. Let's read the card and see what that's all about. The Banila Co. Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Cream says to gently apply all over your face in the morning, evening, or both. It also doubles as a makeup primer. Ultimate soothing and nourishing moisturizer, and it rejuvenates distressed skin. And this 10 milliliter sample retails for $6. All right, let's recap what we got. We got a face mask. We got a hair band. We got a roller tool. We got an exfoliating wash. We got like an acne spot treatment. I feel like I'm missing something. And per Glossybox, this is full size. This is full size. This is full size. This is full size. And this is a deluxe sample size. As is this. Okay. Leave your comments down below. What do you think of this box? I swear, the closer I get to my last box, the better this box is getting. And I know I'm going to suffer from some FOMO when this goes away. But oh well, right now I have too many boxes going on. Alright, so I'm going to list the products on the screen with the full price. And also indicate whether they were full size, deluxe sample, or travel size. Leave me your comments. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe? What was your favorite item? Alright, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Please leave me a comment. Click the thumbs up button. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I would love it if you would do so. And for those who have, thank you. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.